Hello and welcome to this video about how YouTube generates revenue from its platform. With over 2 billion monthly active users and over 1 billion hours of video watched every day, YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform. But have you ever wondered how YouTube manages to provide all of this content for free while still making money? In this video, we'll look at the various ways YouTube makes money and the business model that has helped it become one of the world's most successful online platforms. So, if you're curious about YouTube's inner workings and how it generates revenue, keep watching. Advertisements. One of the most common ways for YouTube to make money is through advertisement. Advertisers pay for ads that appear before, during, and after videos on YouTube. The amount YouTube earns from these ads is determined by several factors, including the number of views, clicks, and viewer engagement. YouTube Premium. YouTube also makes money through its premium subscription service. Viewers can enjoy ad-free content and exclusive access to original content created by YouTube creators with YouTube Premium. YouTube charges a monthly fee for this service, and the revenue generated is split among creators who are members of the YouTube Partner Program. Super Chat and Super Stickers. YouTube has launched a new feature called Super Chat and Super Stickers, which allows viewers to purchase digital goods while watching a live stream. These digital goods appear in the chat window as messages, and the revenue generated is split with the creators. YouTube Channel Memberships. YouTube creators can also offer subscribers channel memberships. This feature enables creators to charge a monthly fee to their subscribers in exchange for exclusive perks. YouTube retains a portion of the subscription fee, with the remainder going to the creator. YouTube Red Originals. YouTube has also created and distributed original content known as YouTube Red Originals. These shows and movies are only available to YouTube Premium subscribers, and YouTube profits from the subscription fees paid by these viewers. Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing allows YouTube creators to earn money. This involves promoting products or services in their videos, as well as including links to those products or services in the video description. If viewers click on those links and make a purchase, the creator receives a commission. Brand Sponsorships. Brand sponsorships are another way for YouTube creators to earn money. This entails collaborating with brands and promoting their products or services in videos. In exchange, the creator is compensated by the brand. The amount of money earned is determined by factors such as the size of the creator's audience and the budget of the brand. YouTube Music. YouTube Music is a music streaming service that is available on YouTube. This service allows users to stream music on demand, and YouTube makes money from subscription fees and platform advertising. YouTube TV. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service provided by YouTube. YouTube makes money by charging subscription fees for access to live TV channels. Data collection. Finally, YouTube also earns money through data collection. YouTube collects data on user behavior and preferences, which they can use to target ads and improve their platform. This data is also sold to third-party advertisers who want to target specific audiences. Content ID. YouTube also makes money through their Content ID system. Copyright holders can use this system to identify and claim their content on YouTube. If a creator uses copyrighted content without permission, the copyright owner has the option to monetize the video and receive a percentage of the ad revenue generated by that video. YouTube Shorts. YouTube recently launched a new feature known as YouTube Shorts. This feature, similar to TikTok, allows users to create short-form videos. YouTube intends to monetize shorts in the future, potentially through advertisements or sponsorships. YouTube Gaming. YouTube has its own gaming platform, YouTube Gaming. YouTube earns money from ads and sponsorships on this platform, which allows users to stream and watch live gaming content. YouTube Merchandise. YouTube creators can also sell merchandise on the platform. This includes items such as t-shirts, hats, and other branded products. YouTube takes a percentage of the sales revenue generated from these products. To conclude, YouTube has several revenue streams that allow it to earn money while still providing a free platform for creators to share their content with a global audience. YouTube has created a variety of monetization options for creators, ranging from traditional advertisements to newer features such as Super Chat, Super Stickers, and YouTube channel memberships. Furthermore, YouTube's premium services, such as YouTube Premium, YouTube Music, and YouTube TV, generate revenue through subscription fees while providing users with ad-free experiences and exclusive content. YouTube also benefits from its Content ID system, which enables copyright holders to claim and monetize their content on the platform. YouTube continues to explore new ways to monetize its platform and provide new opportunities for creators to earn money with the introduction of newer features such as YouTube Shorts and YouTube Gaming. All of these revenue streams have contributed to YouTube's status as one of the most successful online platforms in the world. and it's clear that the company's business model benefits both creators and users. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has given you some insight into how YouTube makes money. Please subscribe